Hey guys, Ron Gurji here, and today we're going to talk about top 5 cool features of the iQOO 3 and how they compare with other phones. Now, a lot of phones are releasing all these cool features, but we haven't talked about what is so special in the iQOO 3, and today we are going to do exactly that. But before we start, if you're new here, press that subscribe button, press that bell icon, so that you can follow whatever new videos we upload on the channel. Alright guys? So guys, today the first feature, the first app that I'm going to talk about is the music app. Alright, so the music app in iQOO 3 is something that a lot of people ignore, or a lot of people will not know, right? So the reason for that is that this app is usually not used nowadays because there are so many streaming apps. But why am I talking about this app? Well, the reason is all the features of the DACs are actually unlocked in the music app. If you use any other streaming app, you can use the Hi-Fi DAC, but you won't get the specialized equalizer or a dedicated high fidelity mode that the music app has. So right, let's go to the music app. So when you go to the music app, right, and you have to go to the settings, and you go somewhere known as audio effect, you will see that the iQOO has collaborated with something known as Deep Field for an amazing acoustic effect, and I can assure you this actually works. Okay, so when I actually use it, the panoramic surround, mega bass, clear voice, these all actually work, and there are so many more sound effects that you can use. And the reason for all of this is there's also an equalizer, there's also headphone adaptation, various. And the reason why this is so important is because it unlocks the true potential of your Hi-Fi DAC on your phone. Okay, so when you actually use it, the 360 panoramic surround actually gives you a bigger soundstage on any earphone that you use. It doesn't matter which earphone you're using; it's still going to get you a much bigger, surround sound and a sound stage as compared to the other streaming apps. So that's really nice. That's really cool, right? Mega bass, it actually pumps up your bass to give you like that really deep effect. Okay, and if you're looking for earphones to actually enjoy all of this stuff, you're an audiophile and you need to, enjoy high quality audio, I will attach some links to amazing earphones wired down below, because if you want the optimal or the best sound effect, I will assure you, you need to use wired earphones. I will attach the links down below. Amazon is having a sale right now, and Flipkart too, and you can purchase some amazing earphones at low cost right now. So this is really cool. And the second app that I want to talk about is the always on display. Alright, so the always on display, now if you are not very well aware of how iQOO works for system apps, so iQOO has a different app for each system component. So they actually can update each part of the system without having a problem, because they can just update the APK and users can instantly install it instead of giving one full OTA. Alright, so going down to the always on display, the always on display is something that a lot of people want. I mean, come on a popular demand, OnePlus is now going to introduce it. Right, so we're going to look at the always on display here, and I'll tell you why this is such an amazing feature. So recently it was updated, and a lot of people concentrated on the bigger stuff on the updates but have not actually seen the small stuff that actually got updated. So one of this is always on display. So the watch types that are available on always on display have actually changed, and you can choose so many different types of cool watch patterns on your always on display, and they're really futuristic. So you're using a gaming phone. It's almost as like a typical gaming phone, this red color, real high-tech watch face. So that's really nice, but you can actually use something else also. You can use different things. You can use you can actually use the themes app to add in more and more cool watch style. So that is really nice, right? And there's so many different ones. There's one that is a sensory clock, so it changes over time, over how the weather is or what the time is. So it's a really cool thing. So you should actually check these always on displays. OnePlus has just introduced their ones and they look really cool, but no one actually has gone in depth about this phone. The third app is the camera app and the gallery app. So this was also recently updated. Not a lot of people have talked, right? And the camera of iQOO has actually kind of improved, right? Not much, but it has kind of improved. Reason why: the camera earlier used to allow you to take a portrait shot, right? And you could control the bokeh. Now the issue with that portrait shot was it was a bit what can I say? It's a bit fake, right? The portrait looked very fake, it did not look very real. But the gallery allowed you to actually change the bokeh effect after the photo was taken. And that's really cool because a lot of people actually take the portrait shot in a hurry but don't really control the bokeh effect. But you can go into the gallery, change the bokeh effect, change even the focus of where the bokeh effect has to be given, so your focal point can actually change in the gallery app. So this is really cool, and a lot of people have not talked about it. So the reason why this is there is because, and why I'm talking about this is, firstly because I need people to know. Secondly, because now the camera app has actually improved their portrait shot. So if you take a portrait now, even without editing it in the gallery using the focal effect change, etc., you get much realistic portrait, right? So if you've used Gcam, and I'll be attaching links to Gcam also down below for iQOO 3. If you've used Gcam, you'll know that the portrait effect they get is very realistic, something like the DSLRs. But here it was not that way. Now it has become more realistic. It looks more realistic when you capture an image. So it's really nice. Guys, do have a look. If you have an iQOO 3, if you have not, I'll attach a referral down below. You'll get 1,000 rupees discount, and plus Flipkart is having a huge discount on iQOO 3 right now. Go buy. If you have an iQOO 3, go check out your camera app, right? There is this better definition to the bokeh effect that has come, right? So the next app is going to be the iManager app, and I've talked about this before, okay? So I've talked about the iManager app a lot before, and if you've not seen my earlier videos, the I button will show you those videos right now. But the iManager app is something that I really love, okay? So it is pretty cool. So if you've seen a lot of tech videos, a lot of YouTubers have actually asked companies to kind of give them a one full fixed app to optimize your phone fully. It should have all the security features, all the privacy features, antivirus, app log, file logs, etc. iQOO did it, but no one actually knows. So this is a very underrated phone, very honestly, and it's improving so much, right? So with this, what has happened is, when you go to the iManager app, you see the touch optimization. So if you click here on one touch optimization, what happens is, it's going to check your device security, it's going to check antivirus, it's going to check data monitor, if it's showing you the speed or not, or how much RAM can be cleaned up, and if you have enough storage. And once you're done, it shows you 100% optimized. Something more in this app is you can access all your security, wellness, and phone cooling, battery, and privacy features just in this one app, in this one taskbar. So it's really good because this actually cools your phone. If you're gaming for a long time, just click on phone cooling, you're done, you're cool. You can use File Safe Box to store your secret files. You can even use app encryption to lock your app. So you can do everything security related in one go, right? Another feature, and this is the last feature of the top 5 features of the iQOO 3, right? Another feature that there is this swipe up for split screen, alright? So if you're in, let's say you're watching YouTube, right? You're watching YouTube and you swipe up with 3 fingers, you will have the ability to make it into a split screen. So now, I know Android has been giving this ability for a long time. But what you do not know in case of iQOO 3 is, one, you get a very detachable keyboard, so you can move the keyboard around anywhere. Moreover, the app drawer comes down below when you switch for the split screen. So I'll show you right now, right? So you put your 3 fingers down. As soon as you do that, you get this amazing menu, right, where your frequented apps are shown in a box, so you can directly easily switch to them in split screen. Or if you want to choose some other app, you can choose any app from down below because it works. So it's really nice. And the best part about this is this also works while playing games. Because this phone has so much horsepower, this also works while playing games, alright? And why, if you're playing games and this is working, this is all really cool. Moreover, if you get some messages while you're in an app, if you're watching a YouTube video or you're gaming, that message comes like a messenger pop-up. So even if it's a SMS or a WhatsApp message, that comes like a pop-up, and it's really nice. It's a very useful feature in this phone. So do have a look, do buy an iQOO 3 if you are in for the market. My referral code from buying from iQOO website is also there, and Flipkart right now is having a huge discount on the iQOO 3. Go check it out. Also, I don't know if you've seen that I bought this case for iQOO 3. I'll be attaching the links down below. It's a really nice case, really tough case. It also allows you to keep it as a stand. It's a damn cool case, right? And I'll also be attaching the links for all the earphones that you can use to enjoy awesome music on it, and the screen guards you can put on your phones. So guys, that's all for this video. Have a nice day and I'll see you again.